Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off mentions and replies on your accounts on X, Twitter, recent, quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, now click notifications and click preferences, now click push notifications, and here you will find it mentions and replies. Just click on it like this and click off, and it will be off, it will be turned off. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.